Alright, in one of my last videos I talked about if you just listen to the furnace, you can, or the system, it will actually tell you what's wrong with it. Let me put the door switch in. Let me turn power on first. You hear that? That's actually the inducer for the relay for the inducer. And of course I checked power a while ago. Went to this friendly train dealer or distributor. Got a new circuit board for it. And we're going to put it in. And also while we're up here, I want to show you. This furnace was put in 06. I think that's what the manufacturer date was. I can't really see it, but I think it was 06. But look, we have a filter, or furnace, that when it was put in, never had a filter rack. And it's got one of those electrostatic filters in it, so we're going to pull that completely out and then put a regular filter in and try to figure out a way for that filter to stay in place. And she's got another one downstairs that's just like it. So anyway, but yeah, once again, if you just listen to what the system is telling you, you can pretty much figure it out. Of course you got to take voltage and stuff like that, but here's a good example. Alright, that's it. Alright, so I got the new board in, turn the power on, it's calling for heat. The inducer's running. Now there's the lighting. These are running. Alright. So while I'm up here, I want to show something else. When you're doing your maintenance calls or service calls, there's other things you can be looking at while you're on a job. Let's take, for example, this drain pan. See a drain pan there, and all of a sudden back there it just disappears because the guy that sprayed all the insulation in the attic didn't care enough to say, hey, we got a drain pan there, let's keep it clean. What'll happen if the thing ever overflows, the insulation will pick the condensation up and it'll wick over the edge like a sponge and go down to the sheetrock ceiling above or below us, causing a really inconvenience for the homeowner. And this lady here is elderly, and she doesn't want her ceiling destroyed by something I can prevent. So I'm going ahead and clean that insulation out of the pan for her. But that's just something final maintenance is just, clean it out. Alright, so she's up and going.